welcome back to seegee's world, and I'm here showing you guys a Nickelodeon sign that I just got that came in the mail for me. Alright, I'll get it out. Okay, here's the Nickelodeon sign. Here's the container. Now I have this big metal spoon here. Okay, I'll try to get it out because it's very big. Here it is. Take a look at this glob of slime. I added little shells in it just to make it really cute. So I'm gonna show you. First thing I want to show you guys is I know how to make really super bubbles. Okay, so first, just got to make holes in it with your fingers like this. Spider hands, plumb it down on the slime. Then take the top, flip it over. Oh, it didn't work that time. Oh, I know what I did wrong. Here, take this side, up, down. See, I made two little tiny bubbles right here. So, that's how to make bubbles. Now, you guys are probably wondering, like, do I have any siblings? If anyone out there if there was anyone out there that wanted to know if I had any siblings, yes, I do. I have one big sister. She is 12 years old. Her birthday is June 1st. So she just turned 12. Yay! Write down in the comments, happy late birthday, Catherine. And please, if you like slime and Nickelodeon slime, if you like this slime, well, I will show you the box it came in, and it is on Amazon. Just look up really good slime, and just keep strolling down until you see a box that looks like this. Here, I'll go get it. Until you see a box that looks like this. Okay. So it's 3 colors in one. I'll show you the inside of the box. So there's glittery slime here. That's why the slime is glittery. There's blue slime here and purple slime in this slot. So you take them out and mix them all together. And then it'll turn, what it turned for me, it turned blue. But it does have a sparkly gold click to it. So that's where you can get this slime. So I'm sure a lot of you are like, I want to play with that. So there you go. Now, I have a special surprise for you guys today. Who there likes hamsters or guinea pigs? I'm going to show you 3 little guinea pigs I have. And if you want to know what a guinea pig is, it's a tiny little animal that's related to hamsters, okay? And put the slime back in its container, which is right there. Whoops. Whoops. I accidentally dropped the camera when I was putting slime back in the container. Because this table that I'm working on is very small, okay? And something dropped, so let me go get that. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, time to go see the guinea pigs.
Mr. Leghorn? Yeah? Package for ya.
Okay.
Well, what What do you know? I say my favorite fruit with holes in it.
Okay. I will just get one of them. Just give me 1 second. I'll be right back to you. Okay, I have got a guinea pig. I'm gonna put him down. Look at the camera, Jeffrey. Yep, that's my guinea pig, Jefferson. He's my son. He is a guinea pig. He is related to a hamster. What do you got on your fur? He's cute. He just got something on his fur. Alright. So, I have to go do something. Please, if you like this video, write in the comments. Write in the comments. Happy late birthday, Catherine. And also subscribe to my channel down below and hit the bell. Yahoo! Bye everyone. See you next time.